Hey friends, a lot of users wish to know where the temp folder is and how to access it. Now it's very easy. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command temp and hit enter. This will open the temporary folder. Okay, and then you can select these files and delete them if you want to. Although a few files will be left because there are some applications which are in use, so you can skip them. Another temp folder is as follows. Press the Windows key and the R key together. Type percentage temp percentage and hit enter. Okay, you can also delete these temporary files or access them whatever you prefer. Okay, and the last one is a prefetch folder. So press the Windows key and the R key together. Type the command prefetch and hit enter. This will open the prefetch folder, and then again you can delete these files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.